Hey Peter, what are you doing? Are you giving your dad a head hug? Oh, yes, Mummy's very upset and very angry today about the bloody pet insurance. But you always manage to make me smile though, don't you? Yes. Hello. and Dusty and Barney, they just huggle together like little lovebirds. I know. You've been out all night, haven't you? You finally got your big boy's pants on. You've been out all night. So I think we can clearly say that you don't need your cage now for night time. That can be back to be used as an extended rabbit run, so they can have bigger runs now. Yes. Are you pecking me? Oh, you're such a lovely boy. And yeah, hey, I know. Finally got your big boy's pants on. Loving life, aren't you, lad? Hey. Peter, I think I might do you a Facebook page. Yeah. In fact, we should have done it from the start. It's like your progression. Yes. Now, don't be like going away and don't come back now, because I'm not going to set up a page if you're never going to come back. Yes. Yes. We all want to see your lady when you finally get to adulthood. Yes, we want to meet her. We do. She better be nice to you, because you're a good boy, aren't you?